Hello, this is a Connectfic app. Using this app, we can edit our Shopify store in Framer. We can edit with this app Shopify component and templates and connect our Shopify store multiple site using this app. So first of all, we have to need to sign up. But I have already account. If you have not any account, you need to create an account. So now we are going for sign up. So after sign up, we can see how many component there. Initial, we are launching the 8 component there, and the template is coming soon in future update. So we can see the preview of our component, which kind of thing we are see in this component preview. Same to same, we can import it with using this app. So all features are pro in Framer. So we need to purchase firstly. So manage subscription, and those is our plan. The lifetime plan is 18 spot is left right now. So this is a limited time offer. So in right now we are purchasing the monthly plan. So buy now. So we need to give our card details right now. We're giving the card details. So payment is complete. We can see our subscription is starting and ending date, and it will automatically renew. If user want to cancel subscription or update our plan, then user can update with monthly plan and lifetime also. So we are see their profile and the settings. In settings, we are seeing the automatic sync. Later, we are describe that. So first of all, we need to connect a Shopify site. So add a new site, and we have to give the URL of our Shopify. So I added a URL, and then we are finding the access token. So click the link and connect the headless app in Shopify. So we are adding their headless app right now. So added a storefront and click Storefront API management. So we can see their public access token. Just copy that and just only paste there the access token and give a site name. Suppose we are giving the site name site 1 connect. So we can see there our store is connected fully right now. When we are checking there which kind of field we are syncing with Shopify, we can select there. And suppose we are clicking the sign now button, it automatically created a Framer CMS, and when clicking the sync, go the connection, and we are seeing this automatic syncing data. So that data is loading and is will be uploading here. So we can see all data are added with Connectfic app. So open our Connectfic app and go the settings. We are seeing a option automatic sync. If we are enable this, then we can automatic sync the frequency of our Shopify's data. But it only work when we are in collection in CMS in Framer. So now this is completely working right now, and user can add it multiple sites. So open our app again. We can see there the last moment we are syncing our data. So we are just right now sync our data in this site. So it's showing the just now. If we are in after 5 minutes later, it show the 5 minutes later we are last syncing that. So now we are going our assets. So in assets, we can see their hero grid. So those are unlocked because we are purchasing our subscription. So inside we can see this data is automatically connected our Shopify data. So we can see there the component is automatically connected, and we can also see so this is the customization we have two type of theme, and we can adjusting the columns, how many columns we need, how many gap. We fully customizable the all component. So there is also pagination. We can added multiple page we are loading there. We want to see only 6 card there. If we want to more, we can load it more of card in store. So we are going for now second theme. So this is our second theme. We see the second theme in there, and we can also customization the all color palette also. So suppose we are changing our color. So the all components are fully customizable. If user want, we don't want to connect in Shopify, just goes for connection off. Then this is not fully connected in Shopify. User can use their own API or JSON data, fully customizable all cards and content also. So now we are goes our second component, the product card. So loaded our product card, insert in our Framer dashboard. So this is our Framer dashboard, but it not automatically connected with Shopify. We have to connect with using Framer. So in this Framer collection, we are go the Shopify product side and add it, and goes to the layer and deleted those. And just connect it. Just connected the product in our Shopify CMS. Okay, these are connected right now. So we need to some customization. The collection is ready right now, and just we need to sync the category with our Shopify data. So we're giving changing image, also sync our data. Okay, the syncing, pricing. This is a Shopify pricing data is added there. We can see the components are fully now connected with Shopify data. So this component is not automatically fully connected with Shopify data. We need to customize with Framer collection. But the hero component is fully connected with the Shopify. Other components are also same as. So we can see the hero grid, product hero. So you can see the product hero. Suppose we are adding right now product hero, insert the component. So this is a product hero component. User can add it in the Shopify rating, compare price, the tagline, and also the description of the product and sizing, fully customizable, and all customizable features are going there. So if the components are fully responsive, user can automatically responsive full. And if user want to customizable all the colors palette, and it also change the image positions also. So next component is the product gallery. So this product gallery, we are showcasing our products only. And the next component is product card. So insert the component, and you can see the minimal design and all kind of features in Shopify data are connected in this component easily. And it also responsive fully. If user want to change the design layout, just give the horizontal row in layout, and user can show as a panel card. Okay, so that's all.